Hello viewers. In this video I will be teaching how to create a glowing effect in Photoshop. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to never miss any updates. So, let's start. First, open your image into Photoshop. Now right-click on the image layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Go to Image, Adjustment, Brightness, and Contrast. Now, adjust brightness and contrast to make it look like a evening time photo. Now, drag and drop the second image into Photoshop. And then adjust its size and placement. Right-click on Butterfly Layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Now, change the blending mode to screen. Go to Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Here keep the radius at 10. Right-click on the upper layer and click on Duplicate Layer. Double-click on the layer effect. And then change the radius to 50. Repeat this procedure for 3 to 4 times and keep increasing the radius in every layer. Now, select all the butterfly layers. And then create a group. Select this layer. Go to Filters, Render, Lighting Effect. Here, select the flashlight preset. Now, adjust the light on the face of the subject and change the settings accordingly as I do. Hit OK. decrease the opacity to 90%. Now, create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Check this box. Adjust the color of the image to match it with the butterfly. Now, right-click on this layer and click on Blending Options. Here, drag this slider toward right. Now, press Alt key and click on slider to break it. And drag it again. Adjust these sliders until you get satisfying results. Now, create a brightness and contrast layer. Adjust the brightness and contrast to make it look more dramatic. Now, select the upper group and right-click. Then select Duplicate Group. Move the copied butterfly. Press Ctrl+T, then right-click and select Flip Horizontal option. Now adjust the size. Repeat the procedure again and create 3 to 4 copies of butterfly. Now, create a new layer. Name it as Glow. Change the blending mode to Screen. Select the brush tool. Pick the color of the background in Color Picker. Start painting like this. Now, change the blending mode to color. We are done here. Let's have a look at final output. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.